Hello everyone and welcome or welcome back. If you've ever wondered whether you could use AI to earn some extra income online, then today's video is just for you. One of the biggest myths about AI is that you need to be a technology expert to make money with it. The good news is that's simply not true. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple freelancing services that seniors can start offering today using tools like ChatGPT. These services require very little technical knowledge and can be offered from the comfort of your own home. So let's get started. So let's start with Service 1, Resume and LinkedIn Profile Improvement. This is a service that many seniors are already well qualified to offer, and that's helping people improve their resumes and LinkedIn profiles. Now you might be thinking, Mike, I'm not a professional career coach, and that's perfectly fine. But many of us have spent decades working, applying for jobs, attending interviews, and building careers. We already have valuable experience that younger job seekers often don't have. Today, tools like ChatGPT can help us take that experience and turn it into a useful freelance service. For example, you can paste a resume into ChatGPT and ask it to improve the wording, make it more professional, or tailor it for a specific job application. The same applies to LinkedIn profiles. The wonderful thing about this service is you're not starting from scratch. You're simply helping people present themselves in the best possible way. Let's see a quick example. I'll paste a simple resume into ChatGPT and ask it, please improve this resume and make it suitable for an office administration role. Notice how ChatGPT rewrites the wording and presents the candidate's experience in a more professional way. This is exactly the type of value clients are willing to pay for. Service 2, Travel Planning Service. Service number 2 is one that many retirees may find surprisingly enjoyable, and that's creating travel itineraries. Many of us love researching holidays, finding interesting places to visit, and planning days out. Well, ChatGPT can help turn that interest into a simple freelance service. For example, a family might want a 7-day holiday in Spain. You can ask ChatGPT to create a detailed itinerary including attractions, restaurants, sightseeing opportunities, and suggested daily schedules. Instead of spending hours researching everything yourself, AI gives you a fantastic starting point that you can personalize for your client. Let's see this in action. I'll ask ChatGPT, create a 7-day family holiday itinerary for Barcelona, including attractions, restaurants, and daily activities. Within seconds, we have a detailed plan that can be customized for a client's specific requirements. And by the way, if you're not at all happy with what ChatGPT first gives you, don't be afraid to ask ChatGPT to give you it again. Service 3 is Proofreading and Editing. If you're someone who notices spelling mistakes in newspapers or enjoys reading and writing, this could be an excellent option for you. Many people write blogs, newsletters, reports, and even books, but they often need a second pair of eyes before publishing them. With ChatGPT, you can quickly identify spelling mistakes, grammar issues, and areas where the writing could be clearer. Let's look at a typical example. I'll paste a short paragraph containing a few mistakes and ask ChatGPT, please proofread and improve this text. As you can see, ChatGPT identifies errors and improves readability. You then review the suggestions before sending the finished version to the client. A good tip is always to double check what ChatGPT has proofread. That's just to be 100% safe. Service number 4 is newsletter writing for local businesses. Many small business owners know they should stay in touch with customers, but they simply don't have the time. This is where AI can help. A local gardener, a plumber, dog groomer, or cafe owner may want to send a monthly newsletter to customers. Using ChatGPT, you can quickly generate ideas, draft content, and create professional newsletters. Let's ask ChatGPT. Create a monthly newsletter for a local gardening business. Include seasonal gardening tips and a special offer. As you can see, ChatGPT provides an excellent starting point, which you can then customize for the business. Newsletters are a fantastic way for businesses to keep in touch with their customers, regardless of the business. Service 5. Family History and Memory Book Creation. Many families have wonderful stories, photographs and memories that deserve to be preserved. Unfortunately, these memories are often scattered across old albums, boxes and family conversations. Using ChatGPT, you can help families organize these memories into a family history book or personal memoir. You might interview a grandparent, gather photographs, and then use AI to help structure the stories into chapters. Let's say someone gives a few notes about their childhood. I'll ask ChatGPT, turn these memories into chapter ideas for a family history book. Within seconds, ChatGPT helps organize those memories into a structure that can form the basis of a lasting family keepsake. And once again, if you're not entirely happy with what ChatGPT has given you, don't be afraid to ask it to redo again. It won't be offended. 365 days of the year, 24/7, ChatGPT is there for you. Where to offer your services? The good news is there are some excellent websites where you can offer your services and find your first clients. The first two, which are probably the most well-known freelancing platforms in the world, are Fiverr and Upwork. Joining Fiverr is free and straightforward. Take some time to study how successful freelancers describe their services, structure their listings and price their work. Upwork is another excellent platform and often features longer-term projects and ongoing client relationships. Freelancer.com is another well-established platform worth exploring. A useful tip is to spend some time studying freelancers already offer services similar to the ones we've discussed today. Look at how they present themselves and what they charge. Remember, you're not copying them, you're learning from them. One final word of caution, as with any online platform, scammers do exist. If you receive a message that doesn't feel quite right, copy and paste it into ChatGPT and ask, does this appear to be a scam or a genuine inquiry? ChatGPT is surprisingly good at identifying warning signs. Once you've gained experience and started attracting clients, you may decide to create your own website, but you don't need one to get started. So there you have it, 5 simple freelancing services that seniors can start offering today using AI tools like ChatGPT. The important thing to remember is that you don't need to be a technology expert. You don't need a computer science degree. And you certainly don't need to know everything about artificial intelligence. What you do need is a willingness to learn, a little patience, and a life experience that many of us have built up over decades. AI isn't replacing experience. In many cases, it's making our experience more valuable. My advice would be to pick just one of those services that we discussed today. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Choose the one that interests you most and spend the next week learning a little more about it. Small steps taken consistently can often lead to surprisingly big results over time. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps the channel. And if you like more simple step-by-step videos on using AI to create income online, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell, please. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these 5 services interest you most? Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and bye for now.